In this video, I'll be transforming a gift box into a vanity organizer. I've got a wooden box which I'll be transforming using waste clothes and few pine wood pieces to make it into a makeup organizer, or we can call it as a vanity organizer, where we can store our watches, then bangles, earrings, nail polishes, and there will be a surprise. What is it? It is a mirror. So first I have chosen two varieties of fabrics from my old kurti and denim jeans. So I'll be cutting them into strips of fabric. Hello friends, my videos are all about DIY crafts using waste materials. I try to transform simple materials into beautiful products. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my videos on regular basis. I know my videos are not perfect. My art is not perfect, but I love doing them. It's an obsession. Then those strips are stuck to the upper portion of the box, alternatively using Fevicol. To get a beautiful pattern, I'm using a sponge to fix them. The border of the same dress is being used on the edges of the box, and here I'm using B7000 glue. I have been doing such art and craft DIYs since my childhood, but now I'm just making an e-portfolio of my crafts. So YouTube is nothing but my album of crafts. I'm very fond of chalk paints because they can be applied on any medium. It can be wood, it can be terracotta pot, it can be canvas, it can be on fabric, or it can be on a wall. But the catch is they are very costly. When you need them on daily basis to make videos, follow my tip. I take Berger emulsion, exterior emulsion, and add a tint of acrylic color in it to get the perfect shade for the project. You can even store it in a container to use it in the next project. So this is what I was talking about. Now here I am going to use the same materials to make a texture paste. So first I am taking the Berger emulsion, then adding a tint of brown color, acrylic color into it, and this becomes the chalk paint. And when you add white cement into it, the texture paste is ready for the stencil art. So let's talk about the stencil art. These stencils are bought from Itsy Bitsy store, and they are Little Birdie Craft stencils. These stencils are very easy to use and beautiful. Since I am using texture paste, the pattern comes out beautifully. At times when I use the color directly, it smudges. The thicker the paint, the pattern comes out perfect. So the next step would be applying decor varnish, which is from Little Birdie again. We can purchase them online and it fixes the paint and the texture paste perfectly. Okay, these rectangular planks, pine wood rectangular planks, are bought from Amazon, and I bought them for 199 rupees. I've got 20 pieces in the box, which I'll be painting them with the chalk paint and they will be used as the shelves in the box. Okay, let us see how to fix them using B7000 glue and the chalk paint made at home. The chalk paint dries up easily on any medium and the finish will be very smooth. Now it's time to fix the mirror on the cover, side of the cover. I bought this mirror from a local shop for 40 rupees. Let us adjust the mirror, and I'm going to use the denim pieces for the border of the mirror, again by using B7000 glue. These strips are very thick, so we need to use super glue. Then the same glue is used to fix the shelves. Just arrange the shelves to check the pattern the way you want to fix them. Hold them tightly and firmly for some time so that they don't fall off. Glue is great, it will fix everything. So here I am taking the clothes drying clip to make the hooks of the box, and I'm using the same glue and the 3M tape here, but the M seal would be the better option, or we can even make some grooves to the box to hang it on the wall. Now just adding the tassels which are taken from my old dress, and these will be enhancing the look of the mirror as the border. I mean the final touch up. And the vanity organizer is ready to use. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel. Bye.
Sunlight, if I'm going